bulls charging at red is a classic misconception. The truth is, bulls are colorblind to red. They see the world in shades of gray, blue, and yellow. So, what really triggers their aggression? It's the movement. In bullfighting, the matador waves a red cape, and it's the fluttering motion that provokes the bull, not the color itself. Bulls are naturally defensive and can be startled by sudden movements. The red cape just adds to the drama, making the spectacle more visually striking for the audience. So next time you see a bull charge, remember it's not about the color. It's all about the action.